How quickly can you get a real answer when your money is on the line? That's the ultimate question we're tackling today, specifically when you need help with your Rocket Money account. Do you head to the official customer support channels, or do you dive into the collective wisdom of the Rocket Money community? This isn't just about who's friendlier, it's about speed and accuracy, because when you are dealing with subscriptions, budgets, or a tricky bank connection, every minute counts. The Rocket Money platform offers two main avenues for assistance, and they serve very different needs. First, you have Rocket Money's official support. This is the formal route: live chat, email, and a help center full of official articles. The big advantage here is accuracy. You're getting information directly from the source. Need help with a technical issue like a needs connection status on your bank? The support team, who is available roughly 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on weekdays, can access your account details and troubleshoot with proprietary information. Their process is structured, and for complex, account-specific problems, this is the most reliable path. However, speed can vary. While their cancellation concierge service is a premium feature designed to save you time by letting them handle the cancellation, a direct support response for a general inquiry via email or even chat might take an hour, or sometimes even more, especially during peak times. For a full subscription cancellation, they even state it can take up to 10 days, depending on the merchant. Then, there's the Rocket Money community. This usually means places like Reddit, independent forums, or even comment sections on finance blogs. The community's strength is instant, raw information. Post a question like, "Is anyone else's Chase account showing as delayed today?" and you might get 5 replies in 5 minutes. This speed is unbeatable for common issues, like a widespread bank connection glitch or a simple question about a feature. It's user-to-user support, which is often fast and provides immediate relief that you're not alone. The downside? Accuracy is not guaranteed. You're getting anecdotal evidence and tips, not official policy. If the fix involves sharing personal details or requires a back-end reset, the community can't help. So, which is faster? It depends entirely on your problem. For general questions or to check if an issue is widespread, for example, where do I find my net worth tracker? The community is almost always faster, offering immediate, crowdsourced answers. But for account-specific, technical, or sensitive issues, like needing a refund, a custom account reset, or a specific question about bill negotiation, the official support is the only reliable option. While the initial response might not be instant, the resolution process, because it's official, will be ultimately faster than trying to fix it yourself with unofficial advice. Ultimately, Rocket Money support provides the definitive, long-term fix, but the community can give you a lightning-fast pulse check and quick-fix tips for non-critical problems. Use the community for speed on common issues and support for accuracy and complex fixes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.